Welcome to our video on the exciting opportunities for civil engineers in Dubai. As one of the fastest growing cities in the world, Dubai has a constant need for talented and skilled engineers to help design and build its impressive infrastructure. Dubai's rapid expansion has led to a huge demand for new buildings, roads, bridges, and other infrastructure. From high-rise buildings to sprawling residential developments, there is a wide range of projects for civil engineers to get involved in. One of the major areas of growth in Dubai is in sustainable and green construction. The city is committed to reducing its carbon footprint and using renewable energy sources. And as a result, there are many opportunities for engineers with expertise in sustainable design and construction. Another area of opportunity for civil engineers in Dubai is transportation. The city is constantly expanding its metro system, building new roads and highways, and developing new transportation technologies. Engineers with experience in transportation planning and design will find many opportunities to contribute to the growth and development of Dubai's transportation infrastructure. In conclusion, Dubai offers a wealth of opportunities for civil engineers looking to build their careers. With a constant need for new and innovative infrastructure, engineers with a wide range of skills and expertise will find plenty of opportunities to make a meaningful impact in this exciting and fast-paced city. Whether you are interested in sustainable construction, transportation planning, or any other areas of civil engineering, Dubai is a great place to start or continue your career. Thanks for watching our video on the opportunities for civil engineers in Dubai. If you're interested in learning more about the civil engineering profession, be sure to check out our other videos and hit on the subscribe button. Good luck on your journey.